Okay, in this video, we're going to use reference angles to find exact values. Now in the last video, I talked about how to find reference angles, so we're not going to do a whole lot of that in this video, but we are going to use the reference angles that we find to find exact values for trig functions. Okay, let's say we are given an expression, sine of 300 degrees. Okay, off the top of your head, that's not the easiest thing to find. But if we find its reference angle, okay, we kind of plot it in a rudimentary unit circle. Okay, sine 300 degrees. Okay, this is 90. Keep going around to 180. Keep going around to 270. So it's 30 degrees more than this angle here, than the 270 degree angle. So it's somewhere right around there. Okay, so our 300 degree angle is all the way around to here. But it's asking us to use reference angles to find the exact value. Okay, so if you remember, reference angle is the positive acute angle formed between the terminal side of the angle, which is this one, and the x-axis. Okay, so it's that angle there. Now for quadrant number 4, we can use the 360 degrees minus theta equals our reference angle theta prime. Okay, so we can plug in our angle, so 360 minus our angle of 300 degrees equals theta prime. 360 minus 300 is 60 degrees equals theta prime. So now what we can do is we can use this angle here, the 60 degree angle, which should be a little bit easier for you to work with if you're familiar with the unit circle. So sine 60 degrees. Okay, again, think about your unit circle. 60 degrees is up here, right? And referring back to the unit circle, the x value for this angle is 1/2, and the y value was square root of 3 over 2. Now sine always refers back to the y value, so sine 60 degrees is square root of 3 over 2. But we're not quite finished, because remember, our original angle is in quadrant 4. Okay, this value here, the 3 over 2, the square root of 3 over 2, is in quadrant 1. But we are referring to 300 degrees in quadrant 4. Now it's the same angle, in a sense, it's just flipped over the x-axis, but we have to remember whether or not sine is positive or negative in quadrant 4. Okay, again, sine refers to y values, so anything above the x-axis is going to be positive, anything below the x-axis is going to be negative. So using this information, we can say that sine of 60, or sine of our 300 degrees here, is negative square root of 3 over 2. Okay, so sine 300 degrees equals negative square root of 3 over 2.